which is a thermal. And then, oh, look at that. I might actually have to participate in a One Color Wednesday to use this color by itself because this is gorgeous. And it like shifts, I think, to like a pink color. Then this one is Violet Dream. So these three were a trio. And oh, it's a gorgeous like violet shimmer color. And of course, I'll swatch everything and do a little preview of the swatches at the end. This is Drops of Jupiter, which is a peachy lavender glitter. It's chunky foil, chunky glitters and like smaller glitters in it. And then there was also Sunkissed, which is like a shimmery orangey peachy color. So pretty. So that's what I got from TLC. I'll put the swatches up at the end of everything because I am going to be opening more dips soon and filming that as well. So stay tuned for the next segment of this video. Okay, so the next package I have received is from Virgo Gem. Each week they do like a bundle of the week with 5 different colors for $20 plus shipping. You can buy the colors separately or you can do it all as the 5 dip bundle. So that's what I did. So I just saw these on Instagram because I follow them on Instagram and Facebook. And I just thought these were like gorgeous colors to use. So it's just a little thank you card for shopping small from Virgo Gem. And then here are their colors. And then of course I'll have the swatches up at the end. So this one is Emerald Coast. And it is, oh my gosh, look at that color. That is gorgeous, isn't it? I love teals. That's such a gorgeous color. Okay. So this one is a glitter and it's Berry Toffee. And it has that teal in it with some orangey gold and some pink glitters. Then the third dip is Wonders of the West. And this is like a solid orange. The fourth one is Glow with the Flow, which is a glow, obviously. And this is a flat, glowing, bright pink. And then the fifth dip is French Macaroon, which is a shimmery teal color. So I'm going to do probably next week a mani using all of these colors in one. And I might throw a decal on there because I might have like a Western themed decal to put with them. I have to look through my stuff. But yeah, I just love these. I think they're like very Southwest looking, great for the summer. So stay tuned for a mani from these and for my next unboxing in a minute. Okay, the next unboxing I have here is my monthly subscription box from Ritzy Dips. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I already sliced it open, but I didn't peek yet. Ooh, okay, so first, there's a sticker that says Summer Vibes. That's so cute. All right. Oh, there's an extra goodie as always. So let's get into the dips. Oh, I love these colors. Okay. So here's what we have for the dips. Of course, these are always labeled SB and then a number. So we have SB049, SB050, and SB051. So I'm going to open them in order here for you, and then I'll have them in my swatch pictures at the end. So SB049 looks like the chunkier glitter, and it's this gorgeous mix of like teals and like iridescent lime, chunky, fine, and medium glitters. And 050 is the more fine glitter, fun mix of a whole bunch of colors, kind of like in the chunkier glitter. And 051 is, let's see, like a pale green color. So we'll see if this does anything like a color change or glow in the dark. It almost looks like it might glow in the dark, but I don't want to say that for sure. So I'm going to put these up with the swatches at the end and see what they do. And then there's this cute little bag here that says Ritzy Dips. Cute. It's a cute little storage bag. I might start putting like maybe some of my overage of files in here that I have, or swatching sticks, things like that. Cute little iridescent, translucent bag. So I will put the details of this box down below in case you'd like to sign up, and stay tuned in a moment for my next unboxing. Okay, so my next package is from Glam Co. I ordered a couple of things from them last week. Just cut it open here. And of course, everything always comes in this cute Glam Co. plastic reusable bag. I love this. So I ordered a black chunky Nailfie ring. So I'll be featuring this in some of my Nailfies. It's adjustable, so I'm gonna have to adjust it down to my size. But here's what it looks like. There's a bunch of colors on the website. I'll post a link for everything down below. Then I got 2 colors. So every month, Logan releases 2 colors, and it's like a duo set. So this month is Coppertone and Sunkissed. Let me crack these open. So Coppertone is a gorgeous shimmery peachy orange. And then Sunkissed is a fine glitter that is also like a peachy rose gold orangey tone to it. So I'll be doing a mani with these definitely, and I'll swatch them so you can see them at the end here. Okay, and then my last item was a black thumbless lace nail glove. So I have a couple of her other nail gloves. I have like an ivory knitted one. I have a gray knitted one, like a dark heather gray. So I wanted something black because I feel like I either use the ivory one a lot, or I use my jean jackets for a lot of my stuff. So this is a set of 2 gloves, and it's thumbless, so you can just like put your hand right through and use them. So I'll be featuring these in my upcoming manis as well. And stay tuned because there might be another unboxing, or if not, I'll do a little wrap up and show you some swatches.